morning to you. It's Monday, January 26th, 2015, and I'm here to hunt arrowheads, but I got to tell you, I've already made 4 trips this year, and all I've come away with so far is a damaged blade and a beat up old bird point. This is my 5th trip. I've been here for about 15 minutes now. And I just found a broken, what would have been a very nice point. Very nice point. Probably an Italy. But that raises my hopes. My 5th trip this year. So we'll see what the day holds. I'm going to try to hit at least 3 sites. So we'll see. I'll check back with you if I find something else. A few minutes ago I found this little thumbnail scraper. I wasn't going to film it, but I took a couple more steps and found this. It looks like the base is broken on it, but that's a wing drill or a paddle drill. Let's find out. Well, it's not broken. That's a nice drill. Nice little pink tip on it. Alrighty, it looks like my day's gonna be better than it has been in a while. This is going to count as my first nice artifact of 2015. I do believe. It's probably made on a broken tip or something, but that drill's all there. Alright, let's continue. I'm not sure if this is something or not. It looks intriguing, but there's not much of it there to see, so let's find out. No, it just has the right shape, but all it is a flake. Oh well, it was worth a check. See, now this one I understand. This one's been butchered and dumped out here. But this one, it was killed, gutted. I know it was gutted because the rib cage has been split and all the meat's been left. The head's gone. It is a buck. You can tell by the tarsal glands. Why in the hell would somebody do that? Goddamn poachers, man. I hate poachers. I hate them. Kill this deer just for the rack. Took its head and left everything else. Sons of bitches. Looks like the vultures have been having a good time with it. God, man, I don't get it. Don't understand. Gives us all a bad name. Anybody wants to hunt deer, that's the reputation you get right there. Now it's now 9:31. I found well, I've been following a plethora of foot tracks all day. So I came over to this. This is my 2nd site, and I've not found any recent footprints yet, but I have found evidence. There's stuff here to be found. There's a nice little side notch dart point right here in the water. I've not touched it yet. I've just been relishing the moment. It's been a long time since I found a perfect arrowhead. Thinking back on it, it was in December, I believe, the day after Christmas. And now there's my first perfect projectile point of 2015, right there. I'm not certain what type it is. It might be a Gibson, but to me, that's a nice point. That is a nice point. Nice and thin, brown flint, chert, whatever you want to call it. Whew. That takes a load off. I've been waiting for that one. It was bound to come, and I'm glad it came today. Let's go on. See what else we can find. Maybe nothing, maybe a whole bunch. The way this is looking. Let's pull this little base out. It's not much, but there's stuff here in the water, man. There's stuff here in the water. I'm gonna screw around and find me something else. I hope. We'll see. I'll let you know. A few minutes ago I found this pretty nice little blade or preform, but the reason I turned this on, I found something else that I'm really not sure what to call it. It maybe the crudest arrowhead I've ever found in my life. It's pretty sad, pretty flint, but my God, I say whoever was making this thing gave up and threw it away. That's pretty sad. That's pretty sad. Oh, oh well, it's gonna go in my pocket. Let's go on. It's gotta get better than this. I just found a bloody broken Graham cave notched. Oh my God. Really archaic piece. Possibly have been resharpened into a drill. It looks like it's, yeah, it's definitely missing the tip. A friggin' Graham cave notched. Oh my God. And I've still got to circle around and find out what that other piece is. The mystery artifact. I'm being patient. I'm being patient. We'll see. This is going to turn up something else yet. It's just covered in flakes. And no footprints here. Here we go. Okay. I got something in the mud here. It looks like a tip. Now, I've been fooled before. I've been fooled today. But this looks awful good. So let's give it a pull and see what happens. I can already tell, but by the feel of it, it's nothing. It's nothing. Just a foolie. Dang it. Oh, keep going. I would not be wanting to wander through here in the dark. Look at these thorns. Look at the size of these thorns. That would leave a mark. Holy moly. Look at these damn things. Look at that. Nope. Don't be walking through here in the dark. You will be sorry. At my third site for the day. Probably my last. It's about noon. I've been doing this at 7 a.m. so 5 hours is enough. I just got into this site and I found this broken square base knife. I'm going to hunt this site out and then I'll probably call it a day. I'll check back with you if I find anything else. Well, I'll tell you, persistence pays off. I'm at Dinky too, the site that hardly ever produces anything for me. I guess I always just do, because I've walked up on what looks like a Snyder's. Oh baby, yeah, that's a Snyder's. That's a Snyder's. That's a nice, well-made Snyder's. Let's wash this thing off. Pretty mosaic-eye it looks like. Oh my God. Whew. My 5th trip this year. The first one is paid off. And man, is it paying off. Holy crap, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Almost done with Dinky 2. But clearly, I'm going to run it the rest of the way up before I quit. All right. See you soon. I thought I'd do a bit of a cleanup video today. Show that piece I found first. A real nice drill. Beautiful little red tip on it. It looks like it's been worked down in here. It's not broken at all. It's worked that way. That's a perfect piece. This little point. The sun is terrible today. I do believe that's a Gibson. It's perfect. Nice brown flint. And this Snyder's. Saved the very best for the very last. I mean the very, very last. I was 10 feet from the end of that sight when this thing popped up. Oh my God, what a piece. What a nice point that is. That's the way to welcome 2015, right there. Those 3 pieces. This thing, I don't know what to think of it. It's worked all the way around on one side with this huge stack left on it. A uniface, there's nothing on this side at all. Whether it was a practice piece or somebody that really didn't know what they were doing trying to make it, I don't know, but it's definitely the crudest arrowhead I've ever found. Not a bad little blade or preform or scraper, whatever you want to call it. And a little thumbnail scraper. That's my day. I had me a good time. Bye-bye.